Some people build companies so fast, it almost looks like they're cheating, but they're not. They've just cracked the code. This isn't about luck, rich parents, or viral trends. It's about strategy. And today, you're going to learn 12 game-changing moves that can help anyone grow a business at warp speed, even if you're starting from scratch. 1. Cash beats perfection. Forget the perfect logo, website, or plan. The real test is this: will someone pay you? The faster you get money in the door, the faster you validate your offer. Because once you've got a paying customer, everything changes. You have feedback, you have momentum, you have proof. No more guessing. So, sell it messy, clean it up later, launch lean, get cash, then optimize. Even if you only make one sale, that sale teaches you more than any market research or branding exercise ever will. Cash flow builds confidence. With revenue, you can reinvest, improve your offer, and keep momentum alive. Perfection is slow. Sales are fast. 2. Make it hard to say no. The best offers are so irresistible that saying no feels dumb. Stop listing features. Sell outcomes, solve urgent problems, add a guarantee, limit availability, offer bonuses, and always ask, would I buy this right now? Urgency, clarity, and simplicity close deals. Add real urgency, limited seats, special pricing, or fast action bonuses. Keep the language crystal clear and benefit driven. Use testimonials, transformation stories, and irresistible guarantees. People don't buy products, they buy better versions of themselves. 3. Systems over plans. Plans fall apart. Systems don't. A system is a repeatable, documented process. It works even when you're tired, traveling, or scaling. Start with small, teachable actions. Record your screen. Write SOPs. Create checklists. Your business should be a machine, not a guessing game. Systems scale. Plans break. Every part of your business should eventually be systemized. Marketing, sales, operations, fulfillment. Once a process works, lock it in and delegate it. The goal is freedom, not control. Systems create scale and peace of mind. 4. Audit your day like a CEO. Track your time for 2 weeks. Every 15 minutes, highlight what drains you, mark what moves the business forward. You'll quickly see you're spending 70% of your day on $10-hour tasks. If your goal is a $1 million a year business, your time is worth $500 hour. Start acting like it. Eliminate, automate, delegate. Most people are shocked when they realize how little of their day is spent on needle-moving work. This audit isn't just about time, it's about clarity. It shows you where your attention and energy really go. Make brutal cuts. Reclaim your calendar. 5. Calendar equals priorities. Your calendar reveals your values. Want to grow? Block time for growth. That means scheduling sales calls, content creation, outreach, team training, and strategic thinking. If it's not on your calendar, it's just a wish. Growth isn't random, it's scheduled. Don't leave your day up to chance. CEOs don't wing it. They have time blocked for priorities that grow the company. Want better health? Schedule workouts. Want more revenue? Schedule revenue-producing activities. The calendar is a mirror. 6. Kill bottlenecks fast. Most teams stall because they wait too long to fix problems. Empower people. Set spending thresholds. Make decisions fast. If a task is stuck, delete, delegate, or destroy the blocker. Speed wins. Hesitation kills momentum. Bottlenecks are business cancer. Cut them out. Make it a rule. If something can't be resolved within 48 hours, escalate or eliminate it. The longer a problem lingers, the more costly it becomes. Create a culture where problems are solved at the source. Empower your team to fix what they see. 7. Replace yourself relentlessly. You should be building the business, not babysitting it. Every time you master a task, train someone else to take it over. Use Loom videos, SOPs, playbooks. Hire slow, promote fast. Your goal is simple. Fire yourself from everything, except what only you can do. Build the team. Be the vision. Think of yourself as an architect, not a builder. Document your genius, train your replacements, and rise up to work on the business, not in it. The less you're needed in daily operations, the more powerful your business becomes. 8. Hire ahead of the curve. Most founders wait until they're drowning to hire. That's a mistake. Predict your future bottlenecks. Hire for them before they hit. Start part-time if needed. Focus on hires that create or protect revenue. Growth is easier with the right people in place. Smart hiring is strategic. You don't just hire to fill holes, you hire to accelerate growth. Look 3 to 6 months ahead. Who will you need? What skills will become critical? Talent is leverage. The right hire can 10x your speed. 9. Buy speed. You can spend 3 years learning from mistakes, or 3 weeks learning from someone else. Mentors, courses, frameworks, templates. These are time machines. You're not paying for info. You're buying decades of experience. Don't reinvent the wheel. Upgrade it. The best founders are students. They obsess over learning curves. They don't view investing in knowledge as a cost. It's the highest ROI tool on the table. Learn fast. Apply faster. Cut the timeline in half. 10. Retention equals rocket fuel. New customers are expensive. Old customers are gold. Treat onboarding like a life or death moment. Deliver results fast. Wow them early. Follow up often. Then upsell, cross-sell, ask for referrals. Keep them happy and they'll fund your growth. Retention is profit. Happy customers stick around, buy more, and bring friends. Don't just sell. Serve. Create experiences, not transactions. Make every client feel like your only client. 11. Scale sales without scaling. Your job isn't to sell, it's to build a sales machine. Record your best pitches, script your objections, track your metrics, hire reps, pay on commission, teach them to win. More closers, more cash. Less stress. Remove yourself from sales without lowering performance. Train closers. Build dashboards. Track conversion rates. Set goals. Make it a game. Great sales systems free you to focus on vision and leadership. 12. Stay in your genius zone. Do what only you can do. Strategy, vision, leadership. The moment you start fixing tech bugs or editing videos, you lose leverage. Protect your genius zone. Hire for the rest. The more time you spend on your superpower, the faster you grow. When you live in your zone of genius, the business accelerates. That's where you're most valuable, most creative, and most fulfilled. Outsource the distractions. Delegate the rest. Guard your zone with everything you've got. These 12 principles aren't just hacks. They're how modern businesses scale without burnout. Don't try to implement all of them today. Pick one, apply it ruthlessly, then stack the next one. 1 year from now, you won't even recognize your business. So which hack will you use first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helped you.